Sunday.
What's up, my peoples?
Just wait.
Is that all I should really say?
I'm excited for you to see Amy.
Who cares?
I don't know.
You still recording?
I also have Till here with me.
Till you're at my house.
Jen
Yes.
Roberts.
It's been forever since you recorded. Where have you been?
Very much dead.
That's disgusting. Who would
He's
want
got a suction cup on.
You have not been dead. You've been at someone else's house.
to use that?
Ho.
That I mean,
But at my
really?
mother's.
I mean,
Ho.
how?
Ho.
And Monday we were too lazy to record, so
I don't care. Yeah, I'm done.
we watched the Emoji Movie.
I mean, I'm serious.
It's gonna get stung. Oh, ew!
Yeah, it hasn't even got stung yet. Oh, there he goes.
Cause she's buying something.
Till girl, AJ, get that away from me.
Cause she said.
Do they
Well, I can't.
Do they know your real name? No.
Don't say it.
Okay.
She got in my truck yesterday, and I instantly smelled pee. Did you guys?
I saw something.
It was pee.
Ew.
I mean, I love her and all, but dude, really?
She smelled disgusting.
Yeah.
Come in here.
I was gonna give me some lemonade. No, 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 no. You broke my chip. Really, Till? You're dropping the bag.
You're up in the bag.
No, it shouldn't fall. Yum. Okay. Alden. Ew. Oh wait, look at that. I'm already in Alden. Oh yeah, it's Alden. Yeah, this place is full.
Good.
Don't
God,
die.
Give them up. We're not going to take them. Take a
And then
drink.
the other chip.
So we found.
I'm choking out pickle.
Andrew's going.
We found something.
I don't want my best friend to die. I'm dying.
I'll have to show it to you if we go down to
Okay.
because
Woo! I'm better now.
I know.
I think I'm alive now. The pickle juice went down too fast.
Okay, I'll be right back, people. I'm gonna buy a pet ducky. Jilly!
Jillian, now she's on phone.
I'm gonna buy a pet ducky. Ducky!
No, it's a rat.
That's a duck!
That's a rat.
Seriously!
She's on the phone.
I can't hear you. What'd you say?
It's a ducky! And his name is Jelly Crystal.
Black Widow.
Where?
He's getting bit by a Black Widow.
Oh, that is one of my biggest fears.
Oh, right here. You're so
Trying to find a way to get up.
We were under a warning. And I swear, oh my god, I got so freaked out. And that's my biggest fear too. I dragged her down to her cellar. She didn't want to go because the weather was bad and it was outside. But I dragged her down there and she could see.
There's
That happened twice.
duckies.
We got in the cellar, she could see the butterfly in our house.
Ready?
The other time,
It's lagging! Lagging.
hello?
What do I do?
Okay. We weren't in
just
the
frogs.
cellar. I was sitting
Yeah, I
in Mom's closet, and she was looking at the kitchen door, and circling above our house.
Yeah, I can't do that. It's lagging. I'm a boy. Jelly, you're not helping.
Oh.
Why? Flooding? How? Well, just because I know it is. They've got the township set up cones down there by that tree.
I haven't even checked my YouTube
completely
channel
flooded
forever.
over the road.
You should.
I haven't checked how many subscribers I have.
You should try to get a Angel
Well,
girlfriend.
you're gonna have. Yeah.
We have a pond.
What? A lot of people do.
Nina, we don't have a pond. We have a lake.
the lake.
Me and Andrew went out and stood in the lake to see how deep it was. It came up about mid-shin on me. Yeah.
That's a lot.
Banshee is just sitting in the middle of the yard taking a shit.
Who is?
Banshee.
You do that fast.
2, 3.
Alright, well then just make sure you get a no.
You did it wrong. You made that go 4 times.
Yeah, no, I really don't need to.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Well, and we can get a note to cover next week, Sarah. You can't go to work shitting yourself. And that Wednesday you're going to need off anyways because
There you go.
So, but we'll get a note from them to cover.
You did it wrong
next
again.
week. It'll be alright.
Is it still a thing?
You clicked the thing 4 times again.
Right, that means they can't put a point against you. They can't. So it basically covers you. It's like school. It's an excused absence.
I'm running out of membership, guys. Here soon I will no longer be member.
I want to let you go so you can figure out your way home.
And I'll try to buy you more membership.
I can buy it.
Just take it slow, guys.
And you can buy your own.
Should have.
No.
She usually.
Not fair at all.
Should have came back in 5:50 by 5:59 on out of
She's like, I know. Yep.
out by.
That's the way she's taking it.
Andrew, don't get anything in that
Yeah.
keyboard.
That's the
Because
way.
the
to
road
go.
My mom
she
just
was
cleaned it
taking,
out.
it's closed on
Oh,
either end.
oh, by the bridge, by the bridges.
I'm trying to make people mad.
Yep.
Don't
I
put
was
stuff in
wondering
that
about
keyboard.
And
that.
by the way, Mike takes to work is closed.
Wow, then they must have just
Sarah's got
closed it.
pictures.
Unless I was
Oh.
out of it. Yeah.
But,
I'm not.
alright. Be safe, okay? Take it slow. Whatever you do. She said he is tired. She had her window down because it's nice out. She's been in the
All the
factory.
way down.
Probably. No, it wasn't raining. She's on her way home. She has her window down, and his car came flying past her through the window.
Sorry.
It's the water. Yeah. Hey.
What a dumb.
Dayton. What? What
Okay,
happened?
Sahara went. Sahara and the Jeep left the window down.
As far as right now, I know
And
it's
a
only
car
Dayton
drove past
before
her and
they
hit a
were
big puddle and splashed water and all
We're
over the Jeep.
under. Yeah. Yeah, it expires at 4:30. We put
Andrew,
our tornado watch
Black Widow.
since about 11 o'clock.
Black Widow!
No, because you were at work, and I really didn't want you freaking out while you were at work.
I think my house got hit.
The inside of the house got hit by a tornado, but the outside's still standing. They decided to name this tornado. It was so powerful, they named it Nina.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Where at?
Here.
Here, in the house, Andrew, come on!
Just in the video.
But no, your mom got pictures of me and Andrew standing out in this giant lake.
I recorded you.
That's fine.
Tornado touched down somewhere because the radio's telling people that if you're in your car, get out and lay down in a ditch.
We need to turn the TV on then.
Well, you just get your ass home, okay?
Well, if she sees a tornado, you get in the ditch.
Yeah,
Drive
if you
that
see a
Jeep in a
tornado-
fucking ditch and get under the Jeep.
I need to see this. I already seen the blood
Stop,
worms.
drop, roll.
Don't be
They're
stupid,
terrifying.
okay?
Okay, guys, this is going to be the end of the
Down
video.
steps. Do you hear me?
What is that?
Jillian, do you hear me?
What?
There's a tornado going on somewhere, so you kids be ready to head to the
Basement.
basement.
Okay.
If I say basement, let go. You know what? Don't be like, why? What's going on? It's a tornado. Fucking move it.
Good luck. Zombie
I'll
juice.
sit in the middle of the room.
Okay, guys, it's going to be the end of the video. See you later. I'm out. Okay, we're back.
We have to go for a few minutes because tornado.
We heard that there's going to be a
All right,
tornado
listen,
warning.
guys.
Bye.
See you later.